Want to have a gluten-free, protein-rich bowl of breakfast? Have upma. Confused? Hi guys, this is Ruchi Bharani. Welcome to Rajshri Food, and let's begin with the recipe for Amaranth or Rajgira Masala Upma. So let me start with explaining the process of how to cook the amaranth. So I have some whole amaranth here, and it looks like poppy seeds only, and it's really healthy. So what you need to do is soak this for about 6 to 7 hours or overnight, and then after you finish soaking it, you need to pressure cook this. So in a pressure cooker, put water at the base, put the amaranth with water in a container, cover it and take about 5 to 6 whistles. So after it's cooked, it looks like this. Let's start cooking. So heat a pan. Into this, add in around 1.5 tablespoons of oil. If you wish, you could even use ghee for the tadka. Once the oil is nice and hot, into this add in a teaspoon of mustard seeds, a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Once the two of them splutter, add in a few curry leaves. Next, add in 1/4 teaspoon of Asafoetida, 2 green chilies finely chopped, 1 piece of ginger finely chopped. Stir fry all these ingredients for a few seconds. Next, add in 1 small onion finely chopped. You can use a variety of vegetables in this upma. If you want to use some green peas, finely chopped carrots, finely chopped French beans, you can go ahead and use them. Also add in half a capsicum finely chopped. Saute these two ingredients for about 2 minutes or till the onions soften. And now into this I'm going to add in the spices. So add around 3/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala, and next I'm going to add in the hero ingredient, that is the amaranth. So let's add in the pressure cooked amaranth. I've taken about 3/4 cup. Amaranth is naturally gluten-free and it's a high source of protein and fiber and also aids digestion. Mix all these ingredients properly. Cook this for 2 minutes, and now into this I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of roasted and coarsely ground peanuts, salt to taste, coriander leaves. Give this a final mix and it'll be done. Just before removing it from the flame, squeeze in half a lemon. And this is done. Turn off the flame. Time to plate. Garnish with some peanuts and some coriander leaves. A bowl of nutritious breakfast is ready. So please do give this a try, and this portion serves 2. Let me know how it turned out and catch me every Monday on Rajshri Food. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.